Hello students, this is Professor Duff, Senior Moderator in Computer Science from Modern College of Arts, Science and Commerce, Pune Division. Today I am going to discuss with you one of the most important topic of instruction set of 8085. I said this is one of the most important topic because on this particular topic, 100% you are going to get a question, either a 3-mark question or a 4-mark question. The topic which I am going to discuss, that is nothing but addressing modes of 8085. First, what is addressing modes? We know that each and every instruction we used in 8085, in the programming I'm saying, requires certain amount of data on which it operates. And this data, sometimes it is stored in some memory location, sometimes it is stored in some register, sometimes the operand or data is directly given in the instruction. So addressing mode is nothing but the techniques to specify the address of this operand or data. So definition of addressing mode is each and every instruction requires certain amount of data to operate. There are various techniques to specify the address of this data, and these techniques are known as addressing mode. So what is addressing mode? Addressing modes are nothing but the techniques to specify the address of the data. Okay, total 5 addressing modes are there, namely direct mode of addressing, register mode of addressing, register indirect mode of addressing, immediate mode of addressing, implied or implicit mode of addressing. Now we'll see all these 5 addressing modes one by one. The first one is direct mode of addressing. Now in this, from the name only we can make out, in direct mode of addressing, address of the operand is directly given in the instruction itself. Address of the operand is directly given in the instruction. Example, LDA3500. The meaning is load accumulator direct with the contents of 3500. What is this 3500? This is the address of memory location where the data is stored. So since the address is directly given in the instruction, LDA is an example of direct mode of addressing. Load accumulator direct with the contents of 3500. Second example is STA4500. Store accumulator direct, where in the memory location whose address is given in the instruction itself. So store accumulator direct to memory location 4500 in this case. Now in both these examples, since the addresses are directly given in the instruction, these are the examples of direct mode of addressing. Now second addressing mode is register mode of addressing. Again here also in the name it is given that these are the register mode of addressing is the addressing mode in which operand is stored in some general purpose register or in accumulator. Okay, we know that the various register we used in the programming are 6 general purpose registers: B, C, D, E, H and L, and accumulator. So in register mode of addressing, the examples are add B, move A comma B. Here in this example, operand is stored in registers only. Add B, the meaning of add B is add the contents of register B to accumulator. Now what is accumulator? Again a register. So both B and A are register, accumulator are register. In the second case, move A comma B, move the contents of register B to accumulator. Again here both the registers are there. So register addressing mode, instruction used, data is always stored in the register. Okay, then the third addressing mode is register indirect mode of addressing. Now in register indirect mode of addressing, address of the operand is stored in some register pair. It is stored in some register pair. And we know that 3 register pairs we used in 8085, HL, BC and D. Okay, so address of the operand or data is stored in any one of these 3 register pair, and then from that register pair the data can be moved to the accumulator or any other place. Here I have given the example like Alexa is 3500. Load HL pair with 3500 means 3500 address of memory is stored in HL register pair, and then we can move that data from memory to accumulator. So example of register indirect mode of addressing is move A comma A comma M. Move A comma M is move the contents of memory. Which memory? Whose address is given in 3500 to accumulator. So move A comma M is an example of register indirect mode of addressing. Second example is LXI B 2500 means load HL pair, load BC pair with 2500H. Okay, so load BC pair with 2500 and then STAXB store the contents of accumulator to memory location whose address is given in BC pair. So in both these example, here STXB is an example of register indirect mode. So before using any indirect mode of addressing instruction, first we'll have to load the memory address to some register pair. Okay, so these are the two examples of register indirect mode of addressing. Now, this register indirect mode of addressing instructions are 1 byte instruction. This move A comma M is 1 byte instruction. Similarly, STXB is also 1 byte instruction. Next is immediate mode of addressing. Now, in immediate mode of addressing, the operand is given in the instruction itself. The operand is given in the instruction itself. Example is MVIA0AH. Here 0A is the operand. Okay, move immediate 0A to accumulator. Second is ADI55H. Add the given byte. This is operand or data. Add 55H to the accumulator. And we know that the result is stored in accumulator. So the instruction which are ending with I are immediate mode of addressing instructions. Okay, usually these are 2 byte or 3 byte instruction. And the last addressing mode is implied or implicit mode of addressing. Now there are certain instructions which are operated on accumulator only. It means that in other instruction, data is stored in some memory location or in some register, but there are certain instructions which are operated on accumulator, assuming that the data is stored in accumulator only. Only accumulator comes in picture. And these are all 1 byte instruction. Instruction like RRC, rotate accumulator write without carry, CMA complement contents of accumulator, or any one of the 4 rotate instruction like RLC, RAR, RAL. These are all implicit or implied mode of addressing. Again, why these are called implicit or implied? Because the contents are assumed that present in the accumulator. So these are the instructions which are operated on accumulator only. So this is very, very important questions usually you get. And each and every paper, if you see last 10 years, 5 years, 3 years paper, you can see that these instructions, always there is a question on this addressing modes of 8085. Either it is a 3 marks question or a 4 mark question. If it is a 3 marks question, then they specifically give any 2 addressing modes and you are asked to explain the given addressing mode with 2 examples of it. Or sometimes you get a 4 marks question, but if it is a 4 marks question, then you'll have to explain all 5 addressing modes. So first you start with the definition of addressing mode. As I said, it is the technique of specifying the address of the operand or data. So this is all about addressing modes of 8085. I hope this video is very, very useful to you, and it will definitely fetch you 3 or 4 marks. Thank you.